Belly fat will be gone 10 days permanently. Ingredients: lemon, cinnamon, cupwort. Cinnamon. 1. Regulates blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels by improving insulin sensitivity. This can potentially reduce cravings for sugary foods and promote better blood sugar control. 2. Appetite control. Cinnamon may help curb appetite and reduce food cravings, which can be beneficial for weight management. 3. Boosts metabolism. Some studies suggest that cinnamon can increase metabolism and fat burning, although the effect is generally modest. Lemon. 1. Hydration. Lemon water is a popular choice for weight loss as it can increase hydration, promote a feeling of fullness, and potentially reduce calorie intake. 3. Boosts metabolism. Some studies suggest that the polyphenols in lemons may have a positive impact on metabolism, potentially aiding in weight loss. Drink 1 glass before bed.